So here we've got some peas that are growing. We've got the buds on the peas. We've got some, I believe these are table squashes. The spinach is a little stringy, but it's healthy. We get some carrots under here, right under there. And we have a squash. I can't remember what kind of squash that is. Here we have a gourd or a table squash that's climbing the fence. This giant beast of a plant is a baby bear pumpkin, and underneath, it's hard to see, it's overshadowing the rosemary that's underneath it. Then we have scallop squash that's behind it right here, climbing up the fence there. And then we have butternut squash over here. And down here we have some peppers growing. And we've started the catnip and it seems to be coming up now, which is good. Over here we have a nice flower on our zucchini. I believe this is our zucchini plant. Yeah, this is the zucchini. So we're getting zucchini flower, and we also have a flower on our Italian squash. The table queen is now really starting to climb this fence. It's hooked on and it's doing its thing. Done that all by itself. The cucumbers are doing well. We're getting some buds down there on our cucumbers. More squash. I'm not sure what kind that is. I can't remember. I have to look at the label, but we've got our dill growing. The gourd is actually doing well, and that's starting to climb the rope as well. The other gourd down the other end is also climbing the fence, climbing up the rope to get there, which is great. The corn is starting to get a little stocky, which is great. It's getting taller. The carrots are coming in. This is another baby bear pumpkin, not nearly as big as the other. We think there's something definitely different in the fertilization of this row as opposed to that first one. Then we have our beans, string beans growing. Sweet potatoes, they're coming in. I want to fill up the rest of this with something, maybe some peppers. Then we have our tomato row. You can see here we've got a whole bunch of different types of tomatoes, and they're all starting to come in. We got lots of flowers on them. The eggplant is coming in well. These stalks are getting pretty big. Another eggplant. Not sure what this is. This is, lemon cucumber. They are coming up pretty well. Let's see. More squash of some kind, I know that, or is that a cucumber? I don't think this is a squash. I think it's a cucumber. Let me see here. Yep, these are cukes. Okay. And another eggplant. Tomatoes. It looks like our peppers that we had planted are gone. They didn't make it. This is catnip coming up, which is great. And more tomatoes. This one has a nice big tomato growing up in there. That's a slicing tomato, I know that much. The other ones are Roma tomatoes and salsa tomatoes. And these are going well. Another eggplant that's doing okay. And here we got a marigold, grew a flower in here, and some cilantro, more beans, and the basils, not that great. The sage is coming in okay. It's slow though. I'm suspecting that this corn and all of these will be a little shorter than expected because of the fertilization of these rows. We got to figure out what's going on with it. But these two rows over here are doing splendidly. And our tomato plant, our strawberry plant has tons of strawberries on it. Lots and lots and lots. So that is all very good. Yeah. There is the garden so far. Oh yes, I've almost forgot. We also have a wild jack-o'-lantern. I will show you. This is a jack-o'-lantern that's growing because of seeds that were dropped from the pumpkin that we got for Halloween last year. So it's kind of exciting to see what happens with it.